that.
Remove your wheel nuts. And the wheel. Right, if you've got wheels, not wheels, these you have wheels.
Have wheels.
So
if you've not got wheels.
If you have not got wheels, the wheels are off, but the brakes are really tarnished. You saw this in a previous video. This is because the pads stick. The pads are supposed to be able to float back and forwards.
Up and down,
up and down as well.
Yeah, yes.
But because they're not pressing properly, you got a wheel that isn't being a fucking disc that isn't being pressed properly. So what we're going to do is pull out the two little retaining pins. Get my manservant to do that now.
So we can fucking see them. One. This one's there. Two.
That's a good noise. Just give us a quick look at that.
No, sorry. Hoo-ha pin.
Hoo-ha pin, so two of those.
Yeah.
And they hold in, what are these like gudgeon pins or something?
Pins of some variety.
Some sort of pins. So then you can knock them out with a hammer and a punch. Or a small screwdriver if it's not crap. You knock them out. They should,
But if you squished it,
like, come out easily by hand, but
this retaining spring should just bang out. Oh, that one's not bad.
oh, it's better than the other one.
That was alright.
So anyway,
We'll give them a go in the buff when we put them back in. No, I was in the buff, we'll put them in the buff.
so
Oh,
yeah, that one came, that's more like it.
That's how they're supposed to come out! Oh! Yay!
Alright, so those are better then.
Those ones actually alright. Okay, never mind.
Front one's, front one's jammed in.
I still leaves a little more than the other way to the other side. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's alright.
Okay, so how do we knock those out, David?
Da, 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 da.
The special love wand. What, is that just a cold chisel with a point?
Yes.
Notched in it? Oh, hold on, let me just...
And some light. In this beautiful sunshine
Alright.
that we've got.
Specialised vPerformance
Specialised
Brembo Subaru Brembo
Caliper.
brake pad liberator. Ding. Made a good noise.
They're not too bad. Only very slight.
There's still some meat on it. We're still going to replace them though. And this one.
She's in there.
Get good asbestos out as well.
Wow, yeah.
Let me get that for you, David.
Final. Let's just continue to hammer this in and out till it.
Ah, anyway, you get the idea. Maintenance, everyone. Maintain your vehicles. Right, so those back brakes we're doing fuck all.
Shit, red.
Pistons moving.
Pistons, okay.
Okay, that's good news.
Yep.
And then the disc, I mean the disc is barely touched because
No, the disc's fine. It's not got a lip on it. It's just
of course it's not got a lip on it.
No.
The fucking pads haven't done anything
for a while. Right, okay.
Right.
Good.
Well, I suppose we should get some more brake pads and then fit them and finish the job, hopefully before it gets dark. Right, new pads acquired, nice shiny Brembos. We have polished up these little pins using David's buff thing? Buff?
Yes.
So they're cleaned up a little bit. And the pads,
Look at that,
do they fit?
they slide straight in. Nope.
Why don't they go in, Dave?
See, that one's alright, see, that's how it should be. So we'll just take the edge off the other one.
Do you gotta like hammer that in or something?
No, no. You see, you grind the edges off them so it's that.
Final touches.
Ta-da!
There we go.
That's it, it should be fucking Floating free! Not jammed in there so they can't move.
Okay, so those are in. Man, I might actually have clean back brakes.
You might have. And if it wasn't such a pain in the ass to take the back discs off, we could have taken them off and cleaned them.
Just use the pads to clean them.
Just use the pads to clean them. And
Clippity clip.
the pin is up fucking spinning around. That thing.
You want another one?
Ding!
So now go.
Got a bit. There. These are good spring clips. There's a lot of spring in them.
The springiest. You got enough hands? Yeah, you're alright.
Can't see the hole. I know there's a hole in there.
There you go. Gentlest of taps.
Ta-da!
Done!
Done.
Wheel back on. Do work.
Do work.
So there you go. That's how to fix your seized back brake pads. Pretty easy. So the straps here, David? What's happening with the straps?
So when we take a handbrake off, it doesn't roll off in the ramp.
Okay, that's important. Okay.
That's fairly important.
Carry on, carry on.